The region of Abruzzo, Italy, is considered one of Italy's most beautiful. Almost half its territory is set aside as national parkland. Esther and Donato De Palma, originally from Abruzzo, immigrated to Newburyport, Massachusetts, where they opened a small pizzeria in 1948, where they served rectangular pan pizzas and sub sandwiches. 5 years later, they moved 2 blocks to their current location, and were joined by Esther's niece and nephew, Gilda and Aldo. In 1957, Gilda and her husband Nick LaBarba took over the business, renaming it Nick's Pizza. In the beginning, they were only open 3 days a week because Nick and Gilda both worked full-time jobs. In the early 1970s, Nick's moved to an all-pizza menu. In 1990, their son Frank LaBarba took over, overseeing the pizzeria with his wife Tiziana. The pizzeria is small. There are only 7 4-person tables in the dining area. Frank says, "I think our success comes from being a family business. We care about the product and make sure every pizza comes out perfect." Frank's future plans for the pizzeria involve possibly expanding the menu to include pasta, sandwiches, and wings, and expanding the store's square footage. Frank's work ethic is key to the restaurant's success. He says the most challenging thing is time. There's so much to do and no time to get it all done. When you work morning until night and face those stressful busy times, it can really wear you. But in the end, it's rewarding. If you don't like to work, this is not the job for you. Nick's Pizza of Newburyport. Welcome to the Pizza Hall of Fame.